Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I thought I'd show you the finished product, what the gentleman's trying to do. I don't even know what you'd call this, maybe line art. Pretty cool, got the heart of a dog, or a heart in there. So I took that same silhouette, and then let's magnify this a little bit, and let's make a ellipse. And let's make it about as big as that one that we started with. And then if we zoom in here a little bit, and if we control D and make a duplicate, holding down the shift key, and let's bring that out a little bit. Now control D again just as many times as you want, as long as it's big enough to make the dog. And then of course we can take this dog out of the way, and let's take this dog out of the way. And of course you'd want to make the lines black, so we're going to left click, and right now they're a hairline. And you can change that, make them a little thicker. And let's just do that, double click on your tool. Kind of move your screen out of the way so you can see how big it is, because you don't want them too thick. Now, we have to group this together. Object, group, or control G, either one. Take our dog and put it about where you want it with that heart. So we don't really have a big enough circle yet, but since it's grouped, we can enlarge it. And then let's put the heart about where it would be. Select it all and use the intersect tool. And what that did, that made an intersection of that dog with the heart. And then of course all I did was take and it looks pretty good because it kind of, I don't know if you can see that on your screen, but it almost gives it a look. Go to your basic shapes or common shapes depending on what version you have, and draw you a heart. Of course I draw everything in red hairline, but that doesn't matter. And then left click, right click, and you could center it in that heart, in that circle a little bit better. And there you have it. Pretty cool looking design. If you left this on this size drawing with a hairline, you could actually vector engrave this really fast. Matter of fact, you could do the whole thing if the dog was a hairline. Now the heart would have to be engraved, but that would only take like 2 seconds. And so, if you change it to something other than a hairline, it becomes really thick. That's too thick. And then you'd have, which there's nothing wrong with that. It just, depending on the dog, is going to have to engrave the whole thing. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. And thank you for watching.